Hi, and welcome to the Map Signals Big Money video series. You want to know what really moves stocks? It's the big money. And what is that all about? Well, you're about to find out. Hey, so Jason and Luke, and we're back again. We're talking about big money. That's what drives Map Signals research. Where did we sit?
Derivatives desk?
Derivatives desk,
Yeah.
right? And options, such a buzzword. It's
Scary word.
It's a
for
scary
some
word.
people.
Yeah, we sat there in 2008 as it was very scary. But I think the important thing about options is the media will often present it in a way that tries to oversimplify things. And you'll see stories like, someone made a huge bullish bet today on XYZ stock because we saw a bunch of calls trading. Well, we were professional options traders, salespeople, brokers. We did it for years. And I can tell you straight up, it's really virtually impossible to tell if it's bullish or bearish. Why is that? Well, a bull can buy put options, which is a bearish bet. A bull can buy call options. It's a bullish bet. They're all different configurations. And yet these bank desks, and we talked about bank desks and ETFs, right?
Sure.
They're vol traders. So they actually are trading the undulation of the price. They don't care if it goes up or down. They just want to know, is it going to undulate a lot or is it going to undulate a little? So it's a very complex process that's going on. However, options trading can have big impact in stock prices, right?
Definitely.
And volumes. So that's why we want to pay attention. And like, why don't you take us through what a hedge might look like and how it could impact the stock on a big options block.
Yes, I mean, guys would call in and they'd say, hey, look, where can I buy 2,000 of these call options, right? So
And what's that an equivalent of shares?
that would be 200,000 shares.
Right.
So we would go out and ask our trader, hey, where can so-and-so buy these options, right? We make them a market. They go, mine, right? That's always how we would tell the trader.
Buy them.
Buy them, right?
Right.
So then what happens? The trader, he's going to be short the options. These are call options. So the hedge is he's got to go and buy some stock, right? And so that alone is going to start moving the stock in many different ways. Depends on how aggressive he wants to buy the stock. It doesn't matter. We don't know what's on the other side of the trader's book too, right? He could have an offsetting position. He may want this. So the point is when you see an options block, it doesn't necessarily mean that it's a bullish bet or a bearish bet. I think the main takeaway is that there's going to be some trading in the equity.
Yeah, we want to pay attention to what it's doing in the stock and how it might start a trend to get on board. That's another example of big money in the institutional market, that complex market, rippling into stocks that we want to pay attention to. See you next time.